Gotta love it when they're very appreciative. Hey, you want a drink? Well, maybe some gravy with some rocks with lime would be nice, right? A little too early, but we're going to the pool area, so going to pool. All right, so first things first, this 1/2-inch PEX line, right? That comes from the house or water supply, and if you look here, we got no water. Okay? You got no water here, and this goes here. Let's follow this. It's very simple, actually, the way the autofill that they made here. Very, very simple. Here is the connection for that, and basically, you have a fluid master. Look familiar?
It's like a toilet.
It's like a toilet, right? So based on the water level of the pool, right, this thing lets in water accordingly. So right now, it's not doing anything because there's no water. So this could be the quick $2.95 we ever made. Oh. This is your sprinkler, because this is a backflow prevention device. And this, let's see what happens. I want to make sure I see if, listen to see if I hear it stop. Peter, you know what? Close that valve by the Peter sent me a video. Play. There it is. We have burst pipes. Let's go see.
Here.
Yeah, not a big deal.
No, just new PEX. That's all.
Yeah. Okay.
And then what I've noticed is last season, when they turn it on, you get rained on, is there would be a puddle right outside the house over there where the line comes out.
Where?
Right at the...
Go show me. Get that little split right there. Let's cut this PEX right here, Peter. Cut like right there. Okay. And did you happen to grab a new fitting? You did?
Oh, new fitting?
Yeah. Well, we could try to take that off. Let me get the channel lock, and we're gonna take this off.
When I,
got that off there. Let's get the crimper ring over the pipe. Slide it in there like I'm gonna slide into your girl's DMs. You knew I was gonna say that. And let's crimp that bad boy. Love that crimp tool. Very expensive crimp tool, by the way. It's like 120 bucks, yeah.
I didn't know they were that much.
Yeah, they're not cheap. There you go. Keep going. You can do it. Good? Excellent. All right, turn the valve on. Very nice. Let's go check out the fluid master. Fluid master. And if you fill it up, you get water. So, on, off. Very, very simple. But I didn't explain to him how it actually fills the pool with water. I just showed him a fluid. You guys see that water level? You see there's a bowl right there, right? It's filled with air, so when it fills with, when the water pulls it up, it turns off the water. As the water goes down, that goes down and it fills with water. Very easy.
If you're not calling Mikey Pipes, you're getting screwed.
There you go. That's right.